Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Today we're going to have just a real quick Instapot rice recipe. Some people have emailed asking me if I use my Instapot, and I do. I haven't used it in a while, to be honest, but my husband and I do make rice in it all the time. So, in fact, we threw away our regular rice cooker that we had because the Instapot cooks it so much better. It gets it perfect every time. It's really cool. So we do a lot of rice at once, and I'm going to make a dinner tonight called Chicken Divan, which I will be filming, and it'll be uploaded tomorrow, so you guys can see that. It's a really neat casserole dinner, and you set it on top of rice. So I'm going to be making a lot of rice, because we like leftover rice. So this is the Instapot that I have, and it has a rice button on it right there. So all you do is I've got 3 cups of rice here. You put that in there. And 3 cups of water. Sorry, it was 3.5 cups of rice and 3.5 cups of water. Don't want to mislead you guys. So all we're going to do is we're going to put our lid on. And when you put the lid on, you want it to seal, not on vent. So here's vent and here's seal. So we don't want it to vent, we want it to seal. So I'm going to put this on. Oops. It does its little thing. We press rice, and that's it, you guys. That easy. So the rice will be done. This says 12 minutes, and then it cools down probably for another 5 to 10 minutes or so. And this little button right here will pop up, and when it is completely done releasing pressure, it will go back down like this, and that's when we want to open it back up. Again, we want to leave it on seal and not on vent. So I know this is short and quick, but a lot of you guys have been asking, and I thought I would just show you guys how to make rice in the Instapot. If you want to see anything else, just let me know. Email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com or leave comments below. And remember, my link for my debubbler, canning debubbler, will be in the description. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We have lots of fun videos coming up and some cool giveaways. We're going on an adventure, and I'm taking you guys along, and we're going to be giving away things from that adventure. So stay tuned. You have to be subscribed in order to win. And good luck to everybody. I will be announcing that in probably about 2 weeks. It'll be for our 6,000 subscriber giveaway. If we reach 6,500 subscribers before then, we'll be doing an extra giveaway. So we're going to add to that. So thank you guys all for watching, and stay tuned.